Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you have a Mazda CX7 guys, CX7 that is shifting, hard, slipping transmission, irregular shifting guys, we'll explain what could cause that on those. They're very picky transmissions, but they're very strong transmissions, so they do not go bad too often guys, and we'll explain now what we do. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how we're going to fix that and what the problem is. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So in return guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below, let us know what you think. So let's start on it now. So let us show you now on this CX7 guys, if you pull your transmission dipstick, okay, the engine is not running. We're not checking the oil level now. I want to show you one thing before we start. On the transmission dipstick you're going to notice, okay, you will have numbers on the bottom. One says 20 degrees Celsius, 165. How you measure it? Okay, from the tip of the stick to right here, it's when the transmission is at 20 degrees Celsius, that's the correct level, high and low. And if it's at 65, the low is this mark and high is this mark. So, what we will do guys, okay, I thought the transmission was definitely going bad on this thing. And it doesn't happen often to see a Mazda with a bad transmission. They're pretty good, especially the CX7 is known for a good transmission. And you can check out that by checking the market for used transmission and see that they're very inexpensive. So I'm using here the Maxicom guys. This is amazing scanner. It works on any car, not just on CX7. You can guys, okay, let me show you. You can access every computer in the car and you can read codes, delete codes, and you can check guys live data. So what we're going to do, I go to transmission control module right here, you can see TCM, click on it, okay, and I read the codes to see if there is something wrong with that transmission. And to my surprise guys, okay, there was like absolutely nothing wrong with it. The computer said it's fine and we drove it for a long time, so if there was something wrong it was going to detect it. No fault codes detected. So I'm going to go ahead, okay, and now click live data right here. Under live data guys, we're going to check the transmission fluid level, transmission fluid temperature, excuse me, so we can check the fluid level. Transmission fluid temperature 49 degrees Celsius. We're approaching 65. Okay, by the time we start doing it, it will be about 50 degrees. So right now guys, okay, let me show you how you check the transmission fluid level on that thing. Okay, you need to set guys your emergency brake on. Okay, you see emergency brake on all the way. Hold now that brake here. And you're going to put the transmission in reverse for about 5 seconds. Okay, then you're going to switch the transmission to neutral, about 5 seconds, leave it like that. And then you will put it in drive for 5 seconds. Why you do that? So you can guys fill up all the passages in the transmission and get an accurate reading. That's what the manual states for this car. And later guys, I'll show you what we're going to do. Put it in park. Have the emergency brake on, check it out, it's there. And now we're going to check the fluid level on this thing. Okay, put the dipstick and see what we get. Wipe it now, reinsert it again. And we guys have less than 20 degrees Celsius. We're not even covering the high mark for 20 degrees. Our transmission is just low on fluid. At 50 degrees Celsius we should be probably about 2/3 between the marks if the transmission is full, and we're very low guys. So what we'll be doing now guys, okay, we'll be using, okay, Lucas transmission fix. You can check this thing out in the description of the video below. So we'll get some Lucas additive guys, we'll add it to make sure we don't overfill this transmission. We'll add to get to the almost to the full mark. We're going to go ahead, test drive it and see if that takes care of the problem now. Okay guys, so we added it to the full mark. Our Lucas was enough guys to do that, but if you need to add more, you need to add transmission fluid. We test drove the car and now it works perfect guys. The transmission shifts super nice, super smooth. There is no that jerking, slipping. This was causing by a low transmission fluid guys. So hopefully that will be your case. Thank you for watching guys. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.